Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the recovery machine, hoses, and DOT-approved tank match the refrigerant. This prevents contamination. Attach manifold and hoses to low and high ports, then open tank valves slightly to pressurize lines. Once done, power the machine and open valves on the manifold one at a time to start flow. You'll hear the pump engage. Make sure to monitor tank pressure and machine temperature so you don't overfill or overheat the unit. You now control flow and confirm complete recovery by watching gauge behavior. Steady vacuum and near ambient pressures mean most refrigerant is out. If liquid shows up, throttle so liquid enters slowly. This prevents slugging the compressor. Use an inline filter/dryer and watch machine oil level and temperature. If temps rise, pause and let equipment cool. Once pressures stabilize and no more refrigerant flows, close manifold valves and shut. You finish by weighing the tank and ensuring you stay below the 80% fill limit. This is critical for safety and compliance. Then purge lines back to the tank, close and cap all service ports, and tag the recovered refrigerant with type and weight. If pressure won't drop or machine keeps running, check for stuck valves, open ports, or system leaks. Inspect hoses and replace oil in the pump if contaminated. One key tip: if recovery stalls, isolate sections to locate trapped refrigerant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.